So you're struggling to pay your mortgage and you're wondering, can I do a loan modification on my own? Well, there's no law saying you have to have an attorney, but it's certainly not advisable. One thing we learned from the foreclosure crisis in the late 2000s is that the banks are not your friend. They're not here to help you, and despite what they may promise you, they're putting their best interest ahead of yours. They have an interest in keeping you in foreclosure. They can run up your loan balance, charge more fees, and that is not in your best interest, clearly. First and foremost is going to be their profit, not helping you out. In order to qualify for a loan modification, you have to understand you have to fit squarely within the bank's guidelines. If you have too much income, it's a problem. If you have too little income, that's also a problem. It's important to be able to get your situation to fit within the program guidelines for that specific loan servicer or for the owner of your loan.
My name is Rebecca, and I wanted to say what a great pleasure it was dealing with loan lawyers. I had such personal service from the first day that I was here, and I felt very confident once I spoke to the lawyer that I met with first that this was the right place. I was always taken care of, whether I called on the phone or came in personal to talk to someone about my case. And basically I was very concerned because I had tried in the last 5 years to do it myself, and then I hired a lawyer, and that didn't work out either. I was turned down at least 4 times to get a modification, and they were willing to work with us, and we got a package that was good for us, and it worked with our monthly budget. And like I said, the personal attention, whether you come in or you call on the phone, they always know who to send you to. They always know where you are with your either your case or your modification. And I just felt like I was in good hands, and it was more like family than anything.
At Loan Lawyers, we've successfully negotiated over 2,000 loan modifications. We're looking out for you, and it is certainly in your best interest to make sure you have an advocate that is experienced, aggressive, and looking out for your best interest. That's not going to be the bank. That's going to be Loan Lawyers. So if you're considering a loan modification on your own, give us a call first. Let's talk about your situation. Let's talk about some of the laws that govern loan modifications. Because I'll tell you this much, if the bank violates the laws regarding loan modification, we may also be able to sue them in federal court for you, which may ultimately result in not only money for you, may result in the modification you're looking for. So give us a call today for your free consultation. Let's talk about your situation. Let's talk about how we may be able to help you.
I also had the opportunity through some friends of mine that are going through the same situation to recommend loan lawyers to them. And I tell you, I am in the industry, construction industry, and I always, I'm very careful who I recommend people to, because you never know their circumstance and how they're going to come back with, oh, these people didn't work out. But I have to tell you, with loan lawyers, I have told so many people, and I have really feel confident that this is the one place where you are going to get the attention and the help that you need.
Call us now at 1-888-FIGHT-13. That is 1-888-FIGHT-13.